Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we will continue the workbook. So all of you please take the workbook, page number 23.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
The same page you can see on the screen also. Are you ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
So question number 15. Suruchi. Suruchi has two PALLS balls. And SIRI, Siri, another girl, has one ball. So Suruji has two balls and Siri has one ball. Color the total number of balls they have. So first of all, we have to find out how many balls are there. So one of the girl have two balls and another one have one ball. So total how many balls are there? 2 plus 1 is equal to
3.
2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So total number of balls we have to color it. So how many balls we have to color? 3. So all of you please color 3 balls. Take crayons and color 3 balls. Only 3 balls. Two plus 1 is equal to 3. So we have to color 3 balls. Two plus 1 is equal to 3. So color 3 balls, only 3 balls with crayons. You can choose any color.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good. Let us wait for others. So 3 balls we have to color. Elvin completed. Show me the book. Show me the page. Okay, good.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, finish.
Shall we move to next number? 16.
Yes.
So those who didn't complete, they can do it later. Okay, no problem. You will do later. You please do later. And question number 16. Rahim, 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 it's the name of a boy. Rahim has 12 hats, Hats, hats. And Shaji has 20 hats. So Rahim has 12 hats and Shaji, another name of a boy, has 20 hats. How many hats do they have in all? So here also we have to add the number because it is asked in all. Means what is the total number of hats? So both numbers are two-digit numbers, so we can write one below the other. So the first number 1 to 12. Rahim has 12 hats. Shaji has 20 hats. So now we can add 12 and 20. First of all, add the numbers or the digits at the ones place. So ones place we have 2 and 0. Now 2 plus 0. What is the answer? 2 plus 0?
2.
2. Very good. Tens place we have 1 and 2. So what is the answer? 1 and 2?
3.
3. So they have 32 hats in all. So they have 32 hats in all.
32.
Very good. Very good. So they have
Thank you,
32
ma'am.
hats in all. Okay. So those who have completed can take page number 24. Rahim and Shaji have 32 hats in all.
Happiness.
So please take page number 24. Question number 17. Very good, Abel. See how many you are coloring? Abel, you have to color only 3 balls, okay? The remaining you have to rub it. Vengi has 12 flowers and Kunjan has 11 flowers. Vengi is the name of a boy, has 12 flowers. Kunjan, Kunjan has 11 flowers. How many flowers do they have in all? So Vengi has how many flowers? 12 flowers. Kunjan has 11 flowers. So both are two-digit numbers. And we have to find out the total number of flowers. So how we will find out the total number of flowers here? We have to add both the numbers. So the first number is 1 to 12. Second number 1, 1, 11. So first of all, add the one space digits. Abel, tell me answer. 2 plus 1. Abel, Anthony, 2 plus 1. What is answer?
3.
3. Very good. Tens place we have 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. What is the answer?
2.
Very good. So Vengi and Kunjan have how many flowers in
23.
all? How many flowers? 23 flowers in all. Very good, Abel. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
23 flowers in all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome. 23 flowers in all. And the next one, question number 18, no need to give more importance because it is addition of 3 two-digit numbers. Okay, that you no need to give more importance. You will study again in second standard. So, but we will do the problems here. 18, solve using vertical addition. And the first one A, 16 plus 10 plus 13. So let us write the numbers one below the other. So first number 16. So 1, 6, 16. Second number 1, 0, 10. Next number 1, 3, 13. So let us add the ones place first. So if you are adding the ones place first two digits, we have to add 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. What is the answer? 6 plus 0. Krishnaraj, Krishnang. 6 plus 0. What is the answer? 6 plus 0. 6. Now with this we have to add the third number. That means 3. 6 plus 3. What is the answer? 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is answer, Esther? 6 plus 3. What is answer, Esther? 6 plus 3. What is answer?
9.
9. So write the number 9. Then tens place we have 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, what is the answer? Allah, 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 2. Now let us add with the third number. 2 plus 1, what is the answer? 2 plus 1? 3. Very good. So what is the answer? 39. The
39.
answer is 39. And the next question is 11 plus 11 plus 21. So write one below the other the numbers. 11 plus 11 plus 21. The first number 1, 1, 11. One, 1, 11. Second number again 1, 1, 11. Third number 2, 1, 21. Now let us add the one space digits. 1 plus 1, first two numbers. 1 plus 1. Abel CB, what is 1 plus 1? Abel, 1 plus 1. What is the answer, Abel CB?
The
1
answer of 1 plus 1.
2.
2. Very good. So with this we can add the third number. 2 plus 1. What is the answer? 2 plus 1? 3.
3.
Very good. So let us write the number 3. Now let us add the tens place digits. The first two numbers are 1 and 1. Reverse. 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 1 plus 1?
2.
2. Now let us add with the third number. 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 2 plus 2?
4.
4. Very good. So the answer is 43.
43.
The answer is 43. Okay, Abel. Very good. Now let's move to page number 25. Okay, so let me take the same page. Page number 25. Fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. And the first question. And the question is 12, comma dash, comma 14, comma dash, comma 16. Ananya, unmute. Ananya, unmute. And let us see the options.
Yes, ma'am.
A, 13 and 15. B, 12 and 14. C, 13 and 14. D, 15 and 16. Which is the answer, Ananya? 12, comma dash, comma 14, comma dash, comma 16. Very good. The answer is A, 13 and 15. That means 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16. Okay, so let us write the letter A inside the bracket. A. Now let us see the second question. 1, comma 2, comma dash, comma 5. Lakshana, what is the answer? We have the option A, 1 and 2, B, 2 and 5, C, 3 and 4, D, 6 and 7. Which is the correct option?
4. 3.
3 and 4. That means the option C. So let us write the letter C inside the bracket. 3 and 4. Now, Sai Krishna, please unmute. Question number 3. dash, comma, 11, comma, 12, comma, dash. And the options are A, 12 and 13, B, 13 and 15, C, 10 and 11, D, 10 and 13. Which is the correct option? Sai Krishna?
Duta.
Dash,
11.
10.
11.
Is it a 10, 11? See, 10, 11,
Yes.
12, and the last number? After 12, we have
13.
13. So, which is the correct option here? Option?
13.
Option?
11.
Which option? Option? A, B, C, or D?
Ma'am, test not here, ma'am.
It's okay. You look at the screen and tell me the answer.
Screen.
Can you see the screen?
There.
Option? Which option is the correct option, Sai Krishna?
Option C.
Very good. Option D, 10 and 13. Okay. So here we can see 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, very good. So please listen to ma'am. Okay. And look at the screen, Sai Krishna. And later you copy that. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
next we have fourth question. And the fourth question we have, Shankar Krishna, are you ready? Please read the question, fourth question. Shankar Krishna, read the fourth question and tell me the answer.
8 is equal to 9.
1 plus 8 is equal to dash.
9. 10.
Option A 9, option B 2, option C 0, option D 7. So the correct answer is option A 9. So let us write the letter A inside the bracket. Okay, good. Now Rayan Salish, read the question number 5. Unmute the device and read.
The sum of 0 and 4 is
The sum of 0 and 4 is dash. Option A 3, option B 0, option C 4, option D 1. Which is the correct option?
4.
That means which option?
Of
Option C. Okay. And next we have question number 6. Sankalp, read the question.
This is the question finish.
Question number 6.
The sum of
1 and 1 is dash.
dash.
Option A 3, option B 2, option C 1, option D 9. So 1 plus 1, what is the answer?
B.
B, very good. Option B 2. So write the letter B inside the brackets. Now Elvin, read the question number 7 and tell me the answer. Question number 7. Elvin, unmute the device and read question number 7.
7
Ah,
plus
ah,
2
is equal to dash. What is answer? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. What is the answer? 7 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 9. The answer is 9. Sia, please unmute. Sia, please unmute and read the next one, 8th question. Sia, please read the 8th question. Unmute, unmute. And read the question. 0 plus 0. What is answer? 0 plus 0. Sia? 0 plus 0.
0.
Very good. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Those who have completed page number 25, please take page number 26.
Finish.
And Jeffrey on read the question number 9. Jeffrey on read question number 9.
എന്നോട് ചോദിക്കണേ എന്നോട് ചോദിക്കണേ
ചോദിച്ചു.
കഴിഞ്ഞത് ആരോട് ചോദിക്കണേ
Jeffrey on read the question number 9. 3 plus 5. What is answer? 3 plus 5. Jeffrey on 3 plus 5.
3.
5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. So after 5,
8.
8. 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Okay. Now,
Eight.
Aman, question number 10. Add mentally 1 and 7. What is answer? 1 and 7. Aman, 1 plus 7. What is answer?
7.
1 plus 7. What is answer?
എടുത്തു തുടങ്ങിയവര് പിന്നെ എന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഇതെല്ലാം അതെത്ര 9 അല്ലേ അത് എഴുതു 9 അത്
1
അവസാനം
plus 7. What is answer, Aman?
ഇവരോട്
8. Okay. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Now, Shisa, question number 11. Please unmute. Add mentally 2 and 2. What is the answer? 2 and 2. 2 plus 2. Eh? 2 plus 2. What is the answer? One of the two is
4.
2. 4. Very good. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now, Elroy, add mentally 3 and 3. What is the answer? 3 and 3. 3 plus 3. What is the answer? Very good. 6. Now, Ishan Krishna. Question number 13. Solve mentally. 8 plus 8. What is the answer? 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8.
8 plus
8 you keep it in your mind. 1 8 you take in your fingers. So after 8, count forward. 8 plus 8. What is the answer?
9.
Now,
14. 15.
what is the answer?
18.
Once more count, once more count, once more 8 in the mind, 8 in the fingers. Okay. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is answer? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now next one. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Sankalp, tell me 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 6 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
12. 11.
No. Once more. 6 plus 5. Sankalp, once more. 11. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Now question number 14. Solve mentally again. And we have a 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. Elvin, what is the answer? 5 plus 7? 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. What is the answer?
12.
Very good. The answer is 12. And next we have B. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. 9 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 16. Very good. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16.
Happiness.
So shall we move to question number 15? It's a word problem.
Yes.
Okay, let us read the problem. There, A-R-E-R, there are 6 S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets, I-N, in, L-A-X-M-I, apostrophe S, Lakshmi's, B-O-X, box. There are 6 sweets in Lakshmi's box. So how many seats are there? 6 seats. And ZFAR, Safar has 1 sweet in his box. So Lakshmi has 6 and Safar has only 1. How many sweets are there in all? How many seats are there in all? Able CB, can you tell me the answer? 6 sweets plus 1 sweets. What is the answer? 6 plus 1 is equal to?
7.
Very good. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 sweets. So all of you please write the answer. SWEETS, 7 sweets. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 sweets. Now those who have completed, please take page number 27. Page number 27. Okay. Question number 16. AMMINI. Ammini. It's the name of a girl. Ammini has 5 chocolates on her table. Ammini has 5 chocolates on her table. SUNITA. Sunita has 8 chocolates on her table. So Ammini has 5 and Sunita has 8. How many chocolates do they have in all? So total how many chocolates are there? Now, Esther, can you tell me the answer? How many chocolates are there all together, or in all how many are there? Let's add the numbers. We have 8 plus or 5 plus 8. What is the answer? 5 plus 8. 8 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many chocolates?
13.
13. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 chocolates. 13 chocolates.
80 chocolates. Oh,
Now, Avish Boban, tell me answer. Okay, Avish Boban, tell me answer. Question number 17. GEETA, Geeta, PAINTED, painted for 9 hours. Geeta painted for 9 hours. And Nasima painted for 9 hours. So both girls painted for 9 hours each. Geeta painted for 9 hours. Nasima painted for 9 hours. For how many hours did they paint in all? Avish Boban, tell me answer. We have to add both numbers. Ah, very good. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 hours. 1 9 you keep it in your mind. 1 9 you take in your fingers and count forward. 9 plus 9. 18 hours.
18.
Okay.
Screen share.
Okay. Now next we have the question number 18. Add. Answer, are you ready? We have to add 3 numbers. 3 one-digit numbers. 1, 2 and 8. That is the first question. Okay. 1, 2 and 8. So let us write the answer. A we have 1 plus 2 plus 8. So let us add first the first 2 numbers. Here we have the first 2 numbers are 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2. What is the answer? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. What is the answer?
3.
Very good. When we add 1 and 2, we will get the number 3. Now let us add with 8. 3 plus 8. What is the answer? 3 plus 8. 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So after 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. So the answer is 11. And the next one we have 3, 4 and 6. So 3 plus 4 plus 6. Now let us add the first 2 numbers. And here we have 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. What is the answer? 3 and 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then add with the third number. 7 plus 6. Krishnank, what is the answer? 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 7 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. So after 7, count forward and tell me the answer. 7 plus 6.
8.
Ah.
13.
Okay, Krishna, what is the answer?
Charge 10.
13. Very good. The answer is 13. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Okay, and the remaining problems, practice questions, we will do on Monday. Okay, so this much only we are doing today. And the same thing I put in the group also. Those who don't have the workbook, please copy from the group. Is it clear to you all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but very good. So thank you for joining. We will meet you on Monday. Okay, bye. See
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. See you the next class.